Alright guys, quick video. Not gonna be a long one, short one. What can I say about this buggy, man? Yeah. Hold on, guys. What can I say about this? I cut the grass, finished cutting the grass. I said, you know what? Let me hold on. Let me go ahead and take this guy. Let's test her out, right? Let's see how she reacts. I'll tell you what. Leaned her out a little bit more. She was a little bit clogged, you know, a little bit too rich. Doesn't sound as mean as the other guys, because the pipe really doesn't help her out. But it does have some power to it, man. Does have some power to it though. See, if I'm going too far on the brakes, it's shutting off, and it shouldn't do that. Let me hold on, guys. Alright, so we got to set up a little bit. I mean, like I said, she does okay, guys. I love the smell of that fuel mixture that I have on it. Oh, it smells so good now. That was crazy right there, guys. Big difference four-wheel drive, that's for sure, guys. Oh, look at that. It just goes over anything, dude. Four-wheel drive just makes a difference. She has more torque now, that's for sure. It just goes over anything, guys. It just goes over anything. Let's see if we can do a quick little speed pass. She got some power on her, guys. Not bad. I have to straighten out the thing. She got some power. She got some speed on her, man. I'll tell you that. She got some speed on her. Man, that thing is a monster. It just... Look at that shit. Look at that. It just takes it. She got some power on her, guys. She got some power on her, guys. I can't complain. She's rolling, guys. Definitely taking her to the park. Definitely taking her to the park. Let her keep the fuel up. Nice little thing, man. I tell you that. I can't complain. For old buggy, this thing is rolling, guys. Cannot complain for old buggy. They just the sound. I mean, the sound is not that great. Yeah, fuel is, she's dying. There's like a hump, so one side empties out, the other one, that's why it does that. There's more fuel in there. See that? See what I'm talking about? So it comes out here, and that's the other hump right there. So that's why it does that. Not bad, guys, not bad. For a cheap buggy, not bad for a cheap picture. Not bad, I'll tell you that. Finished cutting the grass. Brought out this boy right here to play with it for a bit. He's still rich, that's good. I'll lean her out. I think that's good right there. Maybe what, 20 miles per hour, 30 miles per hour at least. That's how fast it goes. I'm gonna do a speed run on this thing. On grass, of course. With open space. She drinks a lot of fuel, that's for sure. That engine is thirsty. That engine is a thirsty engine. That's a thirsty engine. Premium fuel. That's it. She's drained out. We got premium fuel in there. Ooh, that clutch, I can smell that clutch. Probably changed out the clutch springs or the clutch shoes. I haven't checked the clutch shoes. It's fairly new. You can still smell that burn when they're new. You can still smell it, that burn that they have, that burn smell. That's it, guys. This is the Exeed Barca buggy. Not bad. I leaned her out as much as I can. She's doing better. I mean, not bad at all. Not bad at all, guys. I think it's ready to go out to the park. It's not going to be the fastest thing out there, but it's definitely going to be the most reliable thing out there. That's for sure. It's going to be the most reliable, and that's what I want. A reliable RC to take out to the park. And I think that's what we're going to do. We're going to clean this thing up. Get her as clean as possible. The carb is good. It's not bad. We'll clean her up a little bit before I put her away. But other than that, this thing really is good, man. I'll tell you that. That's it. Yeah. That's it. All right, guys. That's it. Let me turn off the I got set up to kill the I wanted to kill switches. Let me see. Okay, we have to set that up. I'll set that up next time. But that's good for now. Alright, guys. Like I said, I took this thing out, took it out of the house. I figured let's try it out and see how it does. I haven't tested it out. It's fast enough for what I want. I want to have some fun, you know. It's a good little RC to have fun with. It's cheap, old, very old. I tell you that, it's very old. This is not a new buck. This is the old dog. An old dog. So, and it runs still, man. That engine still works. Hopefully that new fuel, using that better fuel and better mixture, does it good. We're hoping. Cleans that piston up. If not, then I mean, it runs, guys. I think it's okay for. All right, Robrismo out, man. Hit the like and subscribe, guys. Help me hit that 500 subscribe, man. Help me 500. Help me get to 500, guys. Peace out.